safety issue.
That's a good, yeah, well, on the chest?
You have your registration?
On the phone.
Alright, can you pull it up for me? Thanks, sir.
Hold on. This is for the camera. For my lawyer.
You're supposed to have it facing down, not up. You also can't have a GoPro attached to your helmet.
Okay.
Because if you look, you have it facing up. Like that.
The wind blows and it pops it off. It happened one time. It broke and it just started hanging and slapping the wheel. So I had to add a like little angle, but for you guys to see it.
Okay.
You can clearly see it from the back.
Well, yeah, your registration
Sticker,
card?
I just gotta look for it.
Sticker.
No, that's a sticker. Yeah, you can run my plate.
Your registration card. Is
You also can't have
I don't have the card.
exhaust.
I have it
Alright.
online, huh?
Your modified exhaust, you can't have.
Oh, I don't know what you're talking about.
Because if you also look, you have this as you have it looking like a 3, but it's a B.
Yeah, it just finished raining. I mean, obviously I didn't do that purposely.
If it was,
It just finished raining.
it would still be wet. It would be wet dirt, mud. That's dry.
Yeah, I just came from a travel.
Alright. Okay, so now issued you 2 summonses. One for having your plate not properly displayed because you had it up and you had it dirty. 2 for you can show the GoPro you want. We have
I'm
pictures
recording
on-
just like you.
Yeah,
for my
and
safety.
we will provide.
That's why I have this.
Yep, that's
and
fine.
I'm gonna get another one in the back as well.
Yeah, and we're gonna provide the pictures. No, we're gonna.
I'm gonna get the chest thing that
Okay.
you said. I thank you, appreciate you for.
Okay, and
informing me
also
for that.
issued you the summons for not having a proper helmet because that's affixed to it. You can't have a GoPro affixed to it. Okay.
Okay.
Like I said, you can take all the pictures you want. We have pictures too on the body camera, which we will
Yeah,
be
proven to innocent and guilty in the court of law.
Yeah, I know, but you're gonna let me finish. Or you
Sure,
gonna just
sorry
keep
about
cutting me
that.
off?
I didn't mean to
Because we're gonna
interrupt
provide
you.
the pictures to the judge too, and they're gonna see for themselves how you do. So whatever pictures you take, that's fine, because our pictures are gonna show exactly how it was.
Well, that's how it works.
Because you decided to take a picture when you lowered the plate too, so we have it when it's still up. So.
All right. Thank you.